Be green to breathe clean.
Our question is, if the smoke is affecting the plant, in what ways will it be affected?
Our hypothesis is that the plant will die after 3 days because of the gases blocking it from being able to breathe. Meanwhile, the other plant with no smoke will last longer.
The materials we use for our project are the soil, the 2 pots for our plants, the plants, 2 clear containers, and matches. Our independent variable is how much smoke the plant is taking in and absorbing. Our dependent is the changes the smoke does to the plant after 3 days of letting the plant absorb the smoke.
So for our procedure, we first start off with getting 2 clear containers and 2 plants. We first lit a match and we let the match in the container. We let the smoke take over the container basically, and then we put in our plant in there. So, and the next one and the other one, we put a plant and we put nothing in it. We just let it there, let it sit there for 3 days and take data basically. So on day 1, the plant without smoke looks perfectly normal, and the plant with smoke, it has slightly tilted leaves. It's starting to die basically. On day 2, the plant without smoke looks the same. And on day 2 with the plant inhaling smoke, the leaves begin to discolor. On day 3 for the plant without smoke, it looks perfectly normal, survived the entire experiment. While the other plant, it looks dead, the leaves have been discolored, and the soil has been drying out. So as a result of this, the plant infected with smoke didn't survive the experiment for 3 days, while the plant without smoke survived the entire experiment.
Our abstract is many pollutants are released into the air every day. Plants absorb the polluted gases into their system, and that's when they get harmed. Polluted air affects gases into their polluted air affects the health of plants and is very harmful to ecosystems. We demonstrated how smoke can affect 2 plants and their ecosystems, or 1 plant and their ecosystems.
This project is to represent how plants in the environment get affected by pollutants in the air, and that's why we have here examples of 2 plants right here to represent the plants in the environment. And as you can see right here, it's all fogged up by the smoke, which is by the match, obviously.
And in that case, our hypothesis is correct because the plant that was inhaling the smoke ended up dying after 3 days of absorbing it.
Okay, I have a question. What kind of plant did you use? Was it the same plant for both
Yeah,
the
they were
containers?
both the same
But you
plant.
don't know the name?
I don't know the name of it.
Okay.
They were both the same.
Okay, and why did you come up with 3-day observation? Why not longer? Why not shorter? Where did this number, the magic number of 3 days, come from?
We went with 3 days because it was a short time period, and we wanted to see just the effects of a short amount of time.
And also, due to our research, we also gathered information knowing that smoke can also kill plants in less time. So either way, no matter what, the plant would have died within the 3 days. So even if we made it longer, we would just waste more time than getting more information.
So after collecting the data and learning from your project, how can you help the environment?
Well, we could help the environment first off. Just don't use that much gas. Use electricity, like electric cars.
To reduce the
Ride bikes.
pollution?
Yeah, reduce pollution. Don't litter, don't smoke, don't do none of that, because then all of that goes to our atmosphere, which also affects the plants and us.
Okay, so you can start raising awareness among people that they should be helping
Yes.
plants and the environment.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
No,
Anything in future that you would like to learn more about? Any missed opportunities from doing the project that now you would like to know, maybe?
maybe if the plant would maybe be affected differently if it was like a different type of plant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, if like the species of plant if were different, how that would affect it.
Oh, and also if what would happen if we would also water the plant during the experiment? See if anything else would happen.
So did you water the plants at all for 3 days?
No, we didn't water the plants so we could keep it as realistic as possible because the plants are supposed to be represented out in the environment in the wild, so we didn't water it.
Okay. And where did you keep the plants?
Well, when we took the picture, we kept them inside, but then we took them outside.
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay. Thank you.